Digital Marketing Guide for Beginners. Digital marketing encompasses all marketing efforts that use an electronic device or the internet. It involves leveraging various online channels such as social media, search engines, email, and websites to connect with current and prospective customers. Digital marketing strategies for beginners. Social media marketing. Engage with your audience on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Content marketing. Create valuable and relevant content to attract and retain customers. PPC advertising. Use pay-per-click ads to target specific keywords and demographics. Video marketing. Leverage the power of video to showcase your products or services. Digital marketing basics. Understanding your target audience and their needs is key to a successful digital marketing strategy. Create a strong online presence through a professional website and active social media profiles. Utilize SEO, search engine optimization, to improve your website's visibility on search engines. Email marketing can be a powerful tool for engaging with your audience and driving conversions. Conclusion. In conclusion, digital marketing can seem daunting at first, but with the right guidance and strategies, you can successfully promote your business online and reach a wider audience.